Hi, I am Esher and I welcome all to the session on the steel flow system. Fifth session in this series. In this session, we will examine the intricate connection details essential for constructing robust steel flow systems. This topic is part of the Building Construction IV course. The course and its illustrations are designed to enable architectural students and architects to clearly understand the forms and sizes associated with steel structures and to apply this knowledge in designing such components in their projects. In this section, we will explore the hinge and the pin connection. They appear lightweight and lack extra steel for added strength. They are made to handle shear forces only. These connections are not meant to resist bending or rotation. Sometimes, they are designed to allow some rotation, like a door hinge, or to help during construction. Their simplicity and efficiency make them ideal for situations where only shear forces need to. Rounded end pin and hinge supports are typically used in applications where smooth rotation is essential, such as in bridge bearings or large mechanical systems. Cut end supports, on the other hand, are more commonly found in smaller scale structures or temporary connections during construction. The choice between rounded and cut end supports depends on factors like load requirements, desired movement, and the specific application of the structural element. So, let's move to the rounded end pin steel connection first. Let's have a basic understanding of the difference between hinge connection and pin connection. The difference lies in the number of bolts that we usually find in the connection, which in turn infers the ability of the connection to rotate. A pin connection needs to be able to rotate, so it will only be able to have a single bolt to provide the material for the shear transfer. A hinge connection will have a greater number of bolts in order to resist the shear forces. It will not be able to rotate as a result of the bolts, but it is still not intended to resist any bending moment. A pin and hinge steel column connection with a rounded end is a type of connection that allows for rotation of the column. It is made up of a pin, which is a cylindrical piece of metal that fits through holes in the column and beam, and a hinge, which is a plate of metal that is welded to the column and beam and allows the pin to rotate. The rounded end of the column allows for a more gradual transfer of force from the column to the beam, which can help to reduce stress and fatigue in the beam. This type of connection is commonly used in structures where flexibility and movement are required. The pin and hinge connection provides rotational freedom while still transferring axial loads effectively. This design allows the column to adjust to small movements or settlements in the structure without inducing additional stresses. However, it's important to note that while this connection type offers flexibility, it may not be suitable for all structural applications, particularly those requiring moment resistance. The amount of load to be transferred through the joint will determine the size of the bolt and the plate thickness. Understanding the dimensions is quite important for architectural students and architects so that they can select and use suitable structural elements in their designs. Rounded end pin or hinge steel connections are available in a range of sizes with plate widths and depths between 5.1 to 15.3, overall heights from 2.72 to 7.64, and plate thicknesses between 0.47 to 1.18. Further, we will see pin or hinge cut end type connection. A pin and hinge steel column connection with a flat end is a type of connection that allows for rotation at the joint. The connection is made up of a pin, which is a cylindrical piece of metal that fits through holes in the column and beam, and a hinge, which is a metal plate that is welded to the column and beam. The pin and hinge allow the column and beam to rotate freely, while still transferring vertical and horizontal forces between the two members. The flat end of the column is cut to a specific angle, which allows the pin and hinge to fit snugly into the column and beam. This type of connection is commonly used in steel structures where flexibility and movement are required, such as in bridges or tall buildings subject to wind loads. The pin and hinge design allows for thermal expansion and contraction of the steel members, reducing stress on the overall structure. Additionally, this connection type can simplify the erection process and provide easier maintenance access compared to rigid connections. The pin and hinge design can be customized to accommodate specific project requirements. The dimensions and sizes of pin and hinge connections are critical factors in ensuring their proper function and load-bearing capacity. These measurements are determined by structural engineers based on specific requirements of the project. Cut end pin or hinge steel connections are available in a range of sizes with plate widths and depths between 5.1 to 15.3, overall heights from 3.7 to 10.63, and plate thicknesses between 0.47 - 1.18.